Today I will guide you how to download files from a Gmail email using your PC. First I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then in the top right corner I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. From the drop down menu I clicked on Gmail. Once Gmail opened, I selected and opened the email that contained an attached email file. After opening the email, I moved my mouse cursor over the image attachment. As soon as I hovered over the image, a download arrow icon appeared. I clicked on the download arrow and within a few seconds, the image file was downloaded successfully to my computer. That's it. This is how you can easily download any attachment file from the Gmail on your PC. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful guides.